Hey guys, it is Saturday morning. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to tackle the downstairs. It's not terrible. I mean, like, it's not the worst thing in the world. This table gets a little bit out of whack throughout the week, especially with me moving stuff from upstairs to downstairs. Like, this is like the landing space before it goes down there. We have our stroller. I mean, the living room isn't terrible. I need to like clean off like some of the hair and stuff, but I want to dust too. So I'm hoping I can tackle this like today. I'm actually meeting my friend I'm actually gonna leave here in like 20 minutes because I want to, my bad. I want to go get my car washed, even though it looks like it might rain. I think it's supposed to rain later, but like, I just really want to get it cleaned because I haven't had it cleaned, and I'm one of those people that like has to have it vacuumed out like all the time, and it's not, because it actually hasn't been vacuumed. I don't know, it's been a minute. And like I'm starting to see like particles on the thing or on the bottom, and it's bothering me. But I think in 20 minutes I can do some dishes, which is 2 pots that Mike was supposed to do, but you know, leave it long enough, your wife will do it. And wipe down the counters. That's my goal in 20 minutes. I think it's absolutely feasible. So let's do that, okay? Let's do it. Let me tell you how my day's going. You're broken, meaning this camera is held together now by duct tape, which you would have probably seen. I probably will leave a clip in. Literally, I'm cleaning and then I hit the camera and now you're upside down. And it tumbles over. The LCD screen is like perfectly fine. Like, what's the light? If I were to show you, like, there's nothing wrong with the camera except for the housing mechanism that, like, the back plate, so I can see like it come in frame, is no longer attached. So the LCD screen is essentially hanging on by its like thread that is the connector, which is literally just like literally thin like this. So you have a lot of duct tape on and now you're upside down. And I am so frustrated. It's like one of those things that's just like, what the? It's like, because I was gonna essentially, when he came, I'm switching to this camera permanently pretty much for everything because it's easier for me to, you know, manage this camera. Well, this camera's like, I think I paid $750 for this camera. And now this part is broken, like not attached. So there's so much duct tape. Let me see, I'm gonna take a picture so you guys can see how much duct tape is on the back here. I'll take a selfie. So, let me focus you. Yeah. And again, you're upside down. So that's how much duct tape is on the back right now. And you're still upside down. And like, I just need it to lean back just a little bit to flip it. But now it's like permanently stuck, so I don't know. Yeah. I did message someone on eBay who has a broken one, but they're selling 2 for $350, which is a little bit much. I messaged him to see if he would do 1 for $125, because like it's broken, but you can actually replace like this back plate part, and that has the flip up part. So this is the part, the flip up, like here's your LCD screen here, and so the piece that connects these two is the broken part. So I mean, it still works, but the whole point is to be able to see the back screen. Otherwise, you're pretty much SOL with this camera. It doesn't work any better than any of my other ones. So, and I'm upside down now. So I'm trying not to be super frustrated. Also, got my earring changed inside. So it's 16 gauge and I am 5/16 is my length, because I don't want to do flat, so it's a barbell. But if anyone's ever interested in what I have in here, so yeah. But I literally have been, what time is it? It's almost 3. I'm still trying to process this because I don't want to buy a new camera, because that does not seem feasible right now. I mean, perfectly fine, but like I just don't want to. So I'm hoping that person will, even if they do it like 150 or whatever. I don't know. I'm just really frustrated. So I'll see you later. All right, so I have no idea if I'm in frame, but by the look of how the camera is facing me, although let me try. I think it's good enough. So I confessed to my husband last night that I broke this camera, and it's like 11 o'clock at night, and he's like, okay, so show me what's broken. And like I literally had duct taped it all together, which again, it's duct tape, but it's in the downward position where I duct taped it up in the upward position. So we have like iPhone repair kits, because I've broken an iPhone or 2. No, this was from when, it came in handy when I broke my iPhone, but this is when I used to change my case aids. And so Mike thought it would be a good idea to use something like this to hold the camera up. I messaged a guy on eBay who's selling a broken one. Well, he's selling 2 broken ones for like $350. I'm like, shit, I don't need 2 broken cameras. And both of them had like the flip up part like in it. And the way it works is like you take off the back, like there's the body in the front, and then there's like, sorry, that's probably really distracting. There's like a little part on the back that you can take off that includes the flip up. So I'm hoping that he gets back to me, because I messaged him. So $350 for a broken camera, or 2 broken cameras, is a lot in my opinion. But there's no place that sells just the back. And I'm like, oh shit. So I messaged him asking if he would do $125 for just one of the cameras. I don't care which camera it is, because I just need the back plate. So obviously if you divide it by 2, it's like what, $175 for the camera. So it's almost $200, because $20 shipping. It's like $200. You can buy like a Sony something for $300, a something. So my husband looked up other cameras to go with, because like I'm turning, like the whole point of everything was I was turning this camera into like my permanent camera, because the DSLR, like the arm thing, wouldn't work. But good thing is I can still attach my HDMI cable and like use the screen. But for vlogging, it's gonna be a lot harder, because like you would see probably in many of my vlogs, like, oh wait, I'm out of like shot, or I'm out of focus or something like that. So we'll see, because I don't want to spend, I mean, I can get a used one for about $400 instead of $650 on eBay. So it's not the end of the world. I just didn't want to drop $400 on a new camera that, this one is literally only 2 years old, and this one was $700, I think. But if I made money on my vlogs, slash I wasn't losing many subscribers each day, I may do it. But for honestly, this is gonna sound terrible, I don't make money on YouTube to replace that camera. I know that's like crazy to like be kind of like a jerk about it, but if I was making like maybe even $100 a month, I would easily just be like, okay, it is what it is. In a couple months, like if I bought the used one, I just pay it off. No, it takes me months to get $100. So I love you guys, but I'm not making money to replace expensive items that I'm breaking. I know that's terrible because I broke it and it was like my fault, but I don't know. And my nail channel doesn't make any money, and that takes the longest to edit and do all that because that channel's not monetized. It was, and then it wasn't. If you watch one of my previous videos, it just goes like this. But this channel is monetized, and I could potentially switch it and like turn this into the nail channel, but all my like hard work on the other channel kind of goes out the door, even though I could re-upload them and they would be here. It just, I like this channel for what it is. It's a vlog, it's a little bit more relaxed, it's kind of talking. It's not so put together like my other channel that I don't make any money on. So honestly, if I was making money on both my channels, I could probably go ahead and do it. I mean, I work in IT. We make plenty of money. I can afford to replace the camera. I don't want to because I'm fucking pissed, okay? That's what the bottom line is. So yeah, I need to edit some videos. I need to do laundry. I cleaned the crap out of my stairs yesterday to the point where I like took a magic eraser, cleaned like the backboards, took the like microfiber cloth and like went around everything, cleaned it, cleaned the baseboards, because I'm trying to clean up parts that you don't clean all the time before little man gets here, because it'll be easier. But also if we decide to sell our house next year, which I hope we do, even though I don't want to move. Bittersweet, I know. So that's where we're at now. I hope I'm in frame. It looked like I was in frame. So all right, I will see you guys later because I have no idea how long I've been talking. Probably like 4 minutes at this point. So I'll see you guys later. I'm assuming I'm in frame because you're still broken and I am still pissed. So the guy from eBay hasn't gotten back to me, but to be honest, I don't really expect him to, because I did offer him kind of like a lower end price, but that's, I mean, that's the thing about eBay. But I did see a couple of them come on the market. They like start bidding at 150. So I'm like, maybe I'll take a look at those. I don't know. Maybe I'll just get a different camera. Although I love this camera. Just can't believe, like, I'm literally gonna leave it in the vlog and I'll probably say what's about to take place, and it's like, still so mad at myself. And I just put a vlog up now where I demonstrate like the new thing I got that's gonna be for filming. And it's like, still trying to just relax. In the middle of making dinner, potatoes are in, heating up the chicken, and I think that's it. I need to address this big stroller that's still behind me and hope that I'm in frame right now. Although I look like I am in frame, so this sucks so bad. Cause like I don't want to just leave like the thing up, but I might. We'll see. We'll see what we get to. Cause I'm still just pissed looking at this camera and I can't think of anything else to